The Alburhan Foundation, under the leadership of Sheikh Dawda Samba Diawo, recently inaugurated a Quranic Memorization Center alongside a mosque in the Yundum West Coast region. The ceremony, which marked the official opening of the facilities, began with a ribbon cutting, symbolizing the readiness of the project to recruit students and welcome Muslims to the house of Allah for prayers. The event brought together Islamic scholars, community elders, men, women, and youth. Sheikh Dawda Samba Diawo hailed Ali Suleiman Qasim of Saudi Arabia and all contributors for achieving the significant milestone, which fulfills the organization's objectives.
Kon nga invest ci lu mel nii loo xam ne ëllëg dañ koy fekk yàlla suñu borom tabaaraka taala moom la ko dencal foog naa loolu ku am xel rek moo koy def parce que am na ñoo xam ne xaalis ak na moo leen jiital ba mënuñ def loo xam ne dañ koy jiital ëllëg ñu fekk ko fa lii yàlla de wa maa tuqaddimu li anfusikum min xayrin tajiduhu inda Allah kon kii dafa muus ku muus mooy def lii jaayante ak yàlla ëllëg defal ko adama wallahi defal la ko def kon yal na ko yàlla fay bu gën ci fay.
He highlighted that the complex comprises a mosque, 3 classrooms, a dormitory for students, a full apartment for the resident imam, and toilets. Sheikh Dawda emphasized that the project aims to provide the community with easy access to Quranic memorization and Islamic knowledge, urging local Muslims to make the best use of the opportunity. He also commended the village Alkalo for providing the land for the important project. Imam Muhammad Saliuba led the Friday prayers, using his sermon to commend Sheikh Dawda Samba Diawo and the Alburhan Foundation for their work over the years, including the construction of mosques, schools, boreholes, and a range of humanitarian gestures. Imam Ba quoted the hadith explaining that whoever contributes to building a mosque, Allah will build a house for them in Jannah.
Man bana lillahi masjidan walau ka mafhasi qatatin li baydha bana Allahu lahu baytan fil jannah. Mumahani Allah tabaraka wa taala juler haysi ko embere ka sondu jodoto jora Allah mahanayno suudu ka aljanna. Awa ɗo no ɓe yewtiri noon kala waɗɗo ɗo ko ɗuuɗi o ko fanɗi o ko feere ko mbottaari wonnoɗa e addande ɓe wallida gongol onon fof yo Allah subhanahu wa taala yoɓon ko ɓuri moƴƴude e joddi.
He called on the community to enroll their children in the center to learn the Quranic and the teachings of Islam. The Imam also noted that the Alburhan Foundation is complementing government efforts and commended the government for the enabling environment. He took the opportunity to call on politicians to campaign peacefully for the upcoming 2026 elections, stressing that the Gambia, we are one family. The inauguration of the Mosque and Quranic Memorization Center in Yundum is the latest initiative by the Alburhan Foundation in its ongoing quest to improve lives and livelihoods. Kadijatu Jallow reporting.